So what are we doing?
We are wet sanding and polishing scratches in the clear coat to remove them and bring it back to its beautiful original finish.
Okay.
All right, so step one. You guys both know how to do this. I don't have to really show you. So here, get to it. That's what I do. Okay. Yep, so just use your hands. You can, nope, 3,000 first.
Do you want to get some, do you
grittier
have your
and then
phone on
heavier.
you? Want to get some up close shots? Oh, wow, I'm still, just so we can have different views.
Let's get aggressive with it too. 3,000 grit, this is, you spray that paper?
Yeah, I spread it first.
Okay, and use, you know what you guys might want to do is just fold it like this. So you're not pushing your finger marks into it. More water.
Using some kind of a block or something keeps you from doing the fingers also. I've got a sanding block actually.
The pad.
So with this, you're just trying to knock down the top surface?
You're, yep, getting rid of the. And then you can always, yep, use that. Wipe off the water.
Just putting it on here.
Here's a block, if you would like to block it.
It just gives it even, right?
Lots of water. Water.
So, now that we wet sanded, it's like deglossed, right?
This is also just
Yes.
a sanding block.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there's your sanding block. Okay. Which one was it? So, this one? That, yeah. Yeah. This one? Yeah. So when you get to a spot where you think you sanded enough, Logie the bear, you'll wipe it, spray it, and then wipe it off, look at it, wait for it to dry, see how it looks. That looks pretty, let's just wait for it to dry and then you'll see how does it look.
Looks pretty foggy.
But you see scratches through the fog. Why aren't you using a sanding block, Phil? I like that.
Take two.
I don't know if like swirly momentum would be good because you're, yeah, let's try that. Let's do more even. Yep, I like that. It's looking good, guys. You're doing great. Nope, do longer strokes. Yep. Yeah. Some pressure into it. And you guys are remembering, like, pretend like this is a retail car, so how far are you going? You're taking a lot of clear coat off. All that white stuff is clear coat. So are you sure you haven't burned through the paint right now, or are you just winging it? Because if you burn through the paint, we're in trouble. So it might be a good time to wipe it off and polish it and see how far you've gotten. Take a break, polish it out. Yes. use your wool pads, and then what have you been using? And then use you have
No.
Did you order that HD Speed? Ever? No?
No.
Okay, that's all right. I'm gonna order. Have the bottom of it. I'm gonna order what I need. I'm just gonna order it all. The pads, the
That's
everything.
great, thank you.
So this is HD Speed. This is what I use on this stuff because it's a 3-in-1. It'll wax it. It'll polish it. It'll all of it.
So what does it mean? Does it break down to do those things?
Yeah. It starts off as a compound and then it finishes it as a polish.
Okay.
So, and I use on something like this, the wool pad, because we'll use the wool pad to start, and then you can finish with a foam pad. We don't have a foam pad, so we're gonna just do a wool pad.
And this one's the wool?
Yes, that's the right one.
You put it on the buffer?
We're not doing 5,000 yet because we want to see where we're at. If you polish it and you see sand scratches from the 3,000 grit, then you go to 5,000.
Do you need moisture?
What speed are you guys at? Yep, and then you can go up from there. So you can start at a 3 or a 4, go up to a 5 or a 6.